Delhi's two-front war against COVID and pollution continues. The national capital reported 104 COVID deaths on Thursday, which is the biggest single-day addition in over 5 months. Fearing further spike in COVID cases, should pollution levels go up, the Delhi government has banned firecrackers completely. But the decision has left the cracker sellers disappointed. Here's a look.
Delhi is again in the grip of COVID. A day after recording the biggest single-day spike of 8,593 cases, the national capital saw more than 100 COVID deaths on Thursday, the highest single-day addition in 5 months. The state government has stepped in to reassure citizens.
कोरोना बढ़ रहा है, इसको लेके मैं भी चिंतित हूँ। दिल्ली में पिछले कुछ दिनों से कोरोना बढ़ रहा है। जो भी उचित कदम उठाने की ज़रूरत है, हम वो सभी उचित कदम उठा रहे हैं। मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि हफ्ते 10 दिन के अंदर फिर से कोरोना की स्थिति काबू में आ जानी चाहिए, कोरोना कम होना चालू हो जाना चाहिए।
Keeping in view the rising number of cases, the High Court has allowed the Delhi government to reserve 80% beds for COVID patients in 33 private hospitals. Fearing an increase in pollution during Diwali, the state government has banned firecrackers completely.
Data that we actually have for last 5 years, on the day of Diwali and the day after Diwali, PM 2.5 levels and overall AQI actually becomes worse by almost 23 times. When there's studies that actually says that if Delhi behaves itself, if Delhi really follows the ban that's been imposed by NGT, the previous Supreme Court ban, and also Delhi government's directive, I think we perhaps might have a better, cleaner Diwali.
Cracker sellers are fuming as they are staring at huge losses.
केजरीवाल साहब के निर्णय से, एनजीटी के निर्णय से, किसी निर्णय से मैं विरोध नहीं कर रहा हूं। एक सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया होने के नाते बिल्कुल वो बात ठीक है, क्योंकि पॉल्यूशन खत्म होना चाहिए। कैपिटल है और पहले जिंदगी है, उसके बाद कमाई है, लेकिन डिसीजन टाइम से होने चाहिए। एक दिवाली ब्लैक होने की वजह से 4 दिवाली इनकी ब्लैक बनेंगी, क्योंकि ये ब्याज ही चुकाते रहेंगे, गोडाउन का किराया देते रहेंगे, और वो गोडाउन भी इनके इलीगल काउंट होंगे।
गवर्नमेंट ने पटाखे बैन कर दिए थे, फिर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने हमको ग्रीन पटाखे सेल करने का लाइसेंस दिया गया। हम लोगों ने पूरे साल फैक्ट्री लगाई और माल बनाया। पहले हमारे को लाखों करोड़ों का माल खरीदवा देते हैं, फैक्ट्री लगवा देते हैं, उसके बाद लास्ट मूवमेंट पे एकदम बंद कर देते हैं। ये तो सरकार की सरासर नाइंसाफी है और बेकारपंती है।
Experts are of the opinion just after Diwali, people could see a spike in pollution levels. The farm fires which are taking place in adjoining states of Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh and Punjab are also at an all-time high. Though after 6 consecutive days, Delhi's air quality has now dropped and it has come in the very poor category, but the air is still poisonous. Experts are asking the elderly and the young children not to step out, as the air in the entire Delhi NCR region has now turned poisonous.
To prevent crowding during Diwali, the Chief Minister and his cabinet members will be holding Lakshmi Puja at the Akshardham temple that will be telecast live.
कल दिवाली है, 7:39 से मैं और मेरे सभी मंत्रीगण अक्षरधाम मंदिर से लक्ष्मी पूजन करेंगे। मैं समझता हूं कि जब 2 करोड़ लोग मिलके एक साथ लक्ष्मी पूजन करेंगे तो दिल्ली के अंदर बहुत अच्छी तरंगे फैलेंगी।
Pollution and overcrowding in the festive season have led to jump in COVID cases in not just Delhi but across North India. The biggest worry is now fireworks. If the restrictions on crackers are ineffective, pollution is bound to spike, and so will COVID. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.